Hey, considering a move to Canada, here is a property that's currently on the market. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of what these things look like. Reporting to you from the land of the cold. It's just spring, or yeah, just getting into spring, but it's still a little chilly for us West Indians out here. So if you're first time here, my name is Ariel. I'm a real estate agent licensed in Jamaica, but I'm currently exploring Canada, so I'm going to take you along with me. Taking a look at this property here that's currently on the market for sale. It's in Ajax in Ontario. Very laid back kind of community, if you can kind of see it behind me. Pretty coastal, a lot of amenities. And it's really like 2,000, about 1,800 square feet in terms of the size of the property. Plus it has a legal basement. So let's check this out with me, all right? Special shout out to my girl Jolay from Keller Williams Energy right here in Ontario for having me. She's one of my global partners, so I was happy to kind of reach out and link up with her. And here is that property. We're going to show you what we are allowed to. All right, come along. All right, and here we have the basement apartment. So one bed, one bathroom. So you got a kitchen, a washroom tucked away in here, bathroom there, storage, living space, and your bedroom. It's a nice little space, huh? So yeah, that's what you're looking to get in Ontario. I'll list the price and everything below, plus the contact for my girl Jolay. So if you're looking to get anything in Ontario, definitely consider reaching out to Jolay. All right.